Okay, guys, we're here and we're going to kind of analyze this a little bit. It looks like a big problem, but it's not. We have cases that contain 12 boxes, so it's really nice if you can, I guess, kind of circle those with numbers, so then you can go back and check them out. So we got numbers there, okay, which includes that will be plus, right, guys? Okay, so the equation that, or the inequality, the compound inequality that we're looking at here should look something like this, guys. It should look something like, I think it's going to be like 12b, right? That's because we got to use b. So it's going to be 12b plus 34. So those boxes plus 34 ounces for the weight of the boxes. It has to be less than or equal to, okay, 336.4, but it has to be greater than, guys, than 331.6. Okay. Now we could do this in one shot, guys, but they want us here in the book to kind of break it down into two. So we're gonna take the first one right there, which is like 12b. Let me see, it's 12b plus 34, of course, and then what is it going to be, guys? What is it going to be? Yeah, it's going to be greater than, right? Greater than 331.6. And then we go to the other side and we do the same thing. We go 12b plus 34 because each case includes the weight, and this one has to be less than or equal to 336.4. Okay. What do you guys think about that? Pretty good, huh? Okay, they ask us to subtract 34 from each side. So if we do that, guys, we're going to get something like, let me see, we get that. On this one right here, this one seems to be easy. This one is going to be like 12b after we subtract the 34 that they're asking us to do. So we go here and we subtract 34 from there and 34 from there. And that's going to be equal to, what would it be, guys? What would it be? Like 302.4, right? There we go. 302. I forgot. Let me just go back just a little bit. 302.4. And I'm going to get 302.4. See that? And it's got to be less than or equal to that. Okay. Over here, we also need to subtract 34. 34. And I think, let me see, if we subtract 34 from there, it's going to be greater than or equal to 297.6, I think. Yeah, right? Yeah. And of course, we're going to have 12b here as well. Okay. Then they're asking us to divide both sides by 12. Well, by golly, we divide by 12 both sides, which we can do. Okay. So if we divide everything by 12, by 12, by 12, by 12, we're going to get b equals to something. So we're going to get b equals to what here? B will be greater than or equal to something here, and B is going to be less than or equal to something there, okay? So let's divide 297.6 by 12, and so we bring out the handy calculator. Any calculator, your decimal calculator will be fine. So let's see what we can do here real quick, guys. We're going to divide 297.6. We're going to divide that by 12. And what is the answer, guys? It's going to be 24.8. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to say, well, this is just 24.8. And that is going to be my first answer. Let's see when we divide 302.4 by that. So I'm going to go here and then I'm going to go to my second one right there. And let's see, I'm going to clear this up. And I got 302.4 divided by 12, of course, because we got 12 cases. And we got 25.2. Okay. So we get 25.2. Okay. Now, With that in mind, guys, with that in mind, then we can really kind of see where this is going to take us. And if we were to visualize just a little bit, guys, and try to make one whole application for this, or one whole um, answer for this, it will be the following. We can just put it like big letters right there. We're going to put a B in the middle. Big. Okay, so let me go back over here. I'm going to go B right there. And I'm going to put less than or equal to 25.2. And then, but it has to be greater than or equal to 24.8. It's just the same thing that we've been doing before, guys. And now if we want to graph that, the answers are going to be right in the middle right there, guys. Okay. So let me just clear that out just a little bit. And if I was to do that, let me see. And let me see if I can put this up here. Sorry about the mess right there. So we did that, and at 24.25, oh, look, the answers are right there. The compound inequality is, and we said the compound inequality will be that right about there, guys. And so there you are. So if we were to do something like this, it would be 24.8. So it should be like about right about there. Let me see if I can get, yeah, there we go. Oh, that's even better. So I'm gonna close this up. Let me see if I can erase everything there. So we say it's 24.8, so I'm gonna go. Okay, so let me see if I can get this. Boom. And 24.8, so it's 24.2 right about here. And what was the other answer, guys? Let me see. Let me see if I can get 24.8 and 25.2. Okay. So I'm gonna go back over here to this one. So it was 24.8 right about here and 25.2. It's not much of a difference right there. So the answer should be right about there. Sorry about that, guys. Where B is less than or equal to 25.2, but greater than or equal to 24.8. Ta-da! Then we're going to close that puppy up. See, and it disappears. And we can try another problem like that, guys, and it will work for us, okay? Sorry about the mess.